Slime
Today
emergency
we're gonna be
flat
using
tire
this
repair.
on the plaid. I know, sounds crazy, but I keep getting nails in my tire and it's driving me crazy. There it is, getting all that slime in my tire. I'll be back. Okay, we got all the slime in there. Now we gotta inflate the tire. And hopefully I didn't damage anything on the Tesla Model S Plaid. Hopefully I didn't ruin the sensor. So now I gotta screw this back on. That was the first step, to screw it out. I kinda cleaned it with that. Like that. Time to screw it back in. Time to fill it up to 42. We're almost there. Gonna take a while. Okay, we just got done putting in the slime for your tire. I filled it all up. Now I gotta go drive. Hopefully it plugs that hole that's been driving me crazy. This was the tire that was giving us problems. We drove around. It's still at 41. And we'll be back in a couple of hours. It's 5:14 right now. We'll see you later. Peace.
7 a.m.
The green slime has worked, guys.